Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change the display refresh rate on your HP OmniBook 5 Flip laptop. First, open the Start menu and go to Settings. In your device's settings, open System and then go to Display. In Display, we're going to have to scroll down to Advanced Display Options. And here in the Advanced Display Options, you will see Choose a Refresh Rate option. Now we have two options. We can either use 60 Hz or 40.02 Hz. So if you want to change your display rate to the lower one, you're going to have to select this value and then select Keep Changes to apply them. If you don't keep changes within 15 seconds, they will be automatically reverted. And if your laptop's display supports dynamic refresh rate to help save your power, you can switch this toggle to the right. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below. And I'll see you in the next one.